Okay, hi folks. Today we're going to be looking at DHCP, which really means Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHCP is a service on your server that leases IP addresses. So what we're going to do is go to Server Manager, which is already up, but just come to Start and click Server Manager. We're going to add roles. Okay. I'm going to click Next and select DHCP server. While this downloading, click Next. You can just read this introduction to DHCP. Click Next. And server IP address comes up here. Just gonna click Next here again. And this is our primary domain name. What you're going to do is just validate our address here. Comes up as valid. Click Next. And they're telling us about WINS here. WINS is a Windows naming convention service. We're not really going to go into this, so we're just going to click Next. Leave that as is. And here is where I'll be adding our IP addresses or range. So we're going to give it a scope name. It's going to call it scope 1. Starting IP address, it could be any amount, according to how big your network is. I'm gonna put 192.168.0.20. Subnet mask will be 255.255.25.0, and default key would be a server IP address 168.0.1. And here, subnet type saying wired, this region will be 6 Ds. Our subnet type can be changed. What I mean is how long you want that address to be assigned to your computer. After the time has passed and the machine is not turned on or activated, it is released, and that address can be used on another machine until it is turned back on, though it may not get the same address. You may obtain one from the scope or range. Let's go to key. See our range comes up here. Click Next. We need to disable IPv6 status mode as we're using IPv4. Administrator credentials. We're using that. And everything that we've done come up here, and let's gonna click Install. Give that some time to install. Come back and it's finished. Okay, now that it has finished installing, I'm going to close this off. And just close this off as well. And I'm going to go to Start, Administrative Tools, click on DHCP. Okay, we have to come up. Alright. This is gonna bring down this here. Click on IPv4. Click on our scope. and our address pool. See, it comes up here 192.168.0.20.192.168.0.90, which is what we created. Which at least is, well, we haven't at least any addresses as yet. And reservations. Okay. Reservations, you can reserve IP addresses for specific machines or purposes. What you could do is that you could right click, new reservation, and it comes up and you give it a reservation name, James, and put 0, 1. You're going to need a MAC address. Right, so what you could do here is you could go to start command prompt. Right, IP config /all. Right, enter. I'm going to take the physical address. So you can just find it here. Okay, here it is, our physical address. There's an odd physical address. Physical address being 00000000 E0, and we're going to leave this as boot Dhcp and boot P. Click add. Well, didn't add, maybe I entered the physical address wrong, but that is what you would do in a case like that. Alright, let's just close this off. What we're going to do now is going to go to the client side. Okay, just capture the screen here, and we're going to go to Network Insurance Center. Okay, so let's view our status here. Here we have assigned static IP addresses. What we're going to do is obtain one. Okay, now IP address here is 192.168.0.2. Okay, let's close that off. So properties. Just enter username and password here. Alright, come down to IPv4 properties, and we're going to click here and obtain an IP address automatically. And click OK. I'm just gonna close this off. Click close, and let's check back on the server side. See if okay, so as you can see, it's up enough here, and our reservation is inactive, but our client has been leased, an IP address 192.168.0.20, which is the first address we had in our scope. And if you want to check this, let's go across to the client side, capture, close, start. Command prompt. IP config /all. Just come up here, see our IPv4 address shown here, and things and all that. That's it basically for Dhcp.